Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emi. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. If you are returning to watch my video, thank you so much for watching my video. How are you guys doing today? How are you doing? Comment down one thing that's good about your day. Please guys, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you enjoy it. And yeah, so today I decided to show you guys something I made last year, something I made because of um I wasn't in school, so I just found something to do, and so I'm going to be showing you guys now. So let me just set this camera somewhere. Okay, okay, so let's set it here. Let me talk to you guys. You okay? Perfect. So yeah guys, so there's something I was doing last year during the lockdown when we was it lockdown? No, it was not lockdown. During I wasn't in school yet. So, I just decided I was going to make something, just put my hands into something and look at what I can do with myself. So yeah, I'm always like I love my YouTube, so I'm always like watching YouTube. So last year I was really watching different crafts, different handmade stuff, different stuff. And yeah, I found something to make and I was so happy about it. Like so guys, last year I made this wig. Yeah, so nobody taught me. I didn't go anywhere to learn it. I learned it online on YouTube. YouTube is very useful. Like you can literally learn anything on YouTube. Like I learned how to do this through YouTube, and my mom just bought me the wig cap. The wig cap looks like this. It's kind of like a like it's not netty. It's very thick, and it has this elastic band that just holds it in place, even though it's kind of too small for me, but it works. It works. So yeah, this is the wig. I remember I was like telling my mom I learned how to make wig, so she just bought me this wig cap one time, and this hair. The last time her friend visited us, her friend sent this hair to me, so it was a weave on. It came in a weave on, but um I just decided I was going to use that to practicalize, and it came out really good. Like it came out really good, and I'm so happy about it. Like this is literally my first wig I'm making myself, and I'm so happy about it. This is like my second wig. The first wig I had, my mom gave me. Then this one, because I love the weave on so much, like it was really very shiny, and um, it's not really like looking that shiny again, but I mean
Boy, alright. And when he's chiffon when he's chiffon from my leg drawing like my like this she don't like saving. I know that people say see that mommy and this post for their India.
the hair is very nice. It has this black tip and kind of blonde tip. Like this is how it looks like. When I was making like this frontal, it was kind of rough because of course this was my first time making the wig. So this closure is kind of rough, and I didn't put a closure on that because, as I said, the wig cap is kind of not net, it's very thick. So for me to cut it to say I want to put closure, I don't know if I was going to spoil it. So I just decided to like sew the ribbon on it just like that. So yeah, this was what I got. One of the things I got last year when I was just like at home. I decided to make this, and it really works. Like it really works. Like if my upper back is rough, I just put this on, but my upper back is not that rough now. I like to sometimes carry my natural hair to events like that. But if I just feel like um I don't want to carry my natural upper back, I just decide to put this on. So let me just put this on and show you guys what this looks like. Not for me. Good I love me, you'll be choco caboti. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god. So yeah, this is how the wig looks like. Can see it's giving all it should give. Like the wig literally works for anything. Like it's not perfect, but I mean it works. Like look at, nobody even know this is made by someone that made wig for the first time. Isn't God wonderful? Look at it. So nice. Like it works. Like it literally works. Like if I just have one rough or back, I can just put this on. Or if I just feel like I want to wear boots and events, I can just put this on. Like literally works. It has this blonde tip. I like it. I like it. I'm looking forward to making more wigs, but this was just like a practical. And look how it came out, really good. I'm so happy about it. Like it's given. Hey, giving all it should give. I like it. Guys, comment down what you think about my wig. Are you guys a fan of wigs? Are you guys a fan of wigs? For now, I don't think I really like wigs like that. Just this hot weather is not the time for wigs. Like maybe during the harmattan or during the cold weather, I can wear wigs. But like this hot weather, I wore this wig the other day and like I was sweating. Like in that event, I had to remove it because, of course, my upper wasn't that rough. So I just removed it because the weather was so hot. I could not just do it anymore. Yeah. But I mean, like, this is giving. I love it so much. What do you guys think? Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this new wig I made. I'm so happy about what I got into. I'm so happy that I just watched this online and it came out really good. I look forward to making other wigs, like just making it on my own DIY, do it yourself. I'm just looking forward to making other things. Like YouTube is literally a place where you can watch and learn anything. Like some hairstyles I even learned to make. I learned to make them through YouTube. Like I learned to make hair through YouTube, weaving, attachment, fixing, stuff like that. Just watch YouTube videos and just practicalize it and it can come out good. Like this week, I never planned how it to come out. Like this week, I was so lazy to finish it. Like I'll start it on Monday. I started the week like let me say Monday, Tuesday I'll pause, Wednesday I'll pause, Thursday I'll just do like one line. Like I was so lazy about it because doing this for the first time, some point it can just be discouraging to you because you're like, am I doing it the right way? But I just kept on doing it and came out really good. As I said, the front wasn't that good, but I mean, it's not even that noticeable. It looks really good. Like it looks really not that bad. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys my new wig. Comment down what you think about my wig. Like this video if you enjoyed it, of course, which you must have done. You must have enjoyed it. Comment down, subscribe to my channel, guys. Encourage me, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't let this be the last time you see my beautiful face. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.